Welcome to the city of the future, a place where architecture, technology, and human imagination have reached their ultimate harmony. This is the year 4000 AD, and here, life is defined not by survival, but by elegance, sustainability, and luxury. At street level, wide boulevards stretch across the metropolis, lined with towers of glass and steel that rise like sculpted jewels. Pedestrian walkways are spacious and shaded by adaptive structures, keeping the environment comfortable and serene. Ground vehicles hover silently above polished avenues, moving with precision and grace. Markets bustle with activity, yet everything flows effortlessly. No congestion, no chaos, only balance between people and technology. Above the streets, the sky itself has become a highway. Luxury hoverpods drift smoothly between towers, their transparent shells offering panoramic views of the city. Streamlined cruisers glide in organized aerial lanes, while autonomous cargo carriers move silently, delivering goods across districts. For those who seek prestige, aerial yachts float gracefully above the skyline, symbols of refinement and status. Every vehicle is powered by clean, sustainable energy, designed to blend seamlessly into the rhythm of the city. The architecture is breathtaking. Towers shimmer with reflections of daylight, their facades crafted from glass, steel, and polished stone. Rooftop docking bays welcome fleets of vehicles, while mid-level skyports connect directly to homes and offices. Inside, penthouses and lounges are adorned with marble floors, golden accents, and panoramic glass walls. These buildings are intelligent, adjusting lighting, temperature, and atmosphere to suit the comfort of their residents. Life here is defined by luxury and ease. Residents enjoy panoramic lounges with views stretching across the skyline. Markets offer advanced fashion, technology, and cuisine, all presented in elegant plazas. Social life thrives in central squares, where fountains, seating areas, and cultural hubs bring people together. Every detail, from the design of a chair to the flow of traffic, is engineered to create serenity, abundance, and beauty. At the heart of the city, colossal transport hubs connect every district. Futuristic stations integrate seamlessly into skyscrapers, with transparent walkways guiding passengers to their destinations. Vehicles dock silently, schedules displayed through holographic signage. The experience is effortless, no waiting, no